In this lesson, we will create a commonly used navigation framework in web design, including top and side navigation. First, drag a rectangle to create the background of the top navigation bar. Convert it into a dynamic panel and add a loaded interaction to set its width to window.width. This ensures that when it loads, the top navigation bar spans the full width of the screen. Then, assign it a background color. Drag an image widget to import a logo, followed by a text widget to create logo text. Use a label to create a menu item and input the text Home. Duplicate the menu item and convert it into a dynamic panel to create a collapsible menu. Rename the text to Item 1. Drag a rectangle to design an arrow. And another rectangle for the background of the expanded panel. Use rectangles to create the menu items. Item 1.1, Item 1.2, and Item 1.3. Add a mouse over style effect to these menu items. Duplicate more menu items as needed and adjust their styles. Customize the arrow style. Group all menu items and their background into a dynamic panel named Item Expanded. Add a mouse enter interaction to the menu to display the menu items panel. Group the menu and its items panel and add a mouse exit interaction to hide the items panel. For the menu items, add a shown interaction to set the dynamic panel state to state 2 and a hidden interaction to revert it to state 1. Add a click interaction to the menu items to hide the items panel. Copy and paste the interactions to other items. Group and duplicate as needed. Then update the names of the menus and menu items. Next, drag an image widget to create a user avatar. Copy and paste one of the menu item's dynamic panels and modify its content. Similarly, add interactions for the avatar and its items panel. With that, the top navigation bar is complete. Now, let's create the left side navigation bar. Drag a rectangle to form the background and add a loaded interaction to set its height to window.height. Convert it into a dynamic panel and change its background color. Drag a rectangle to create a primary menu item. Adjust its style and make its text bold. Add a mouse over style effect. Duplicate the rectangle to create secondary menu items. Group all secondary menu items into a dynamic panel and add a loaded interaction to hide it. Enable the push-pull widgets below option and name the panel. Item expanded to. Add a click interaction to the primary menu item with a show hide action to toggle its visibility. Then select push-pull widgets below. Group the primary menu and the secondary menu dynamic panel together. Duplicate the group and modify its content. In the same way, create another menu group. Here, there is an error. In the loaded interaction of the secondary menu dynamic panel, change the show action to hide. Update the styles of all menu items. Adjust the page alignment by setting the page to align to the left. Preview the prototype. When clicking the primary menu on the left, it toggles the visibility of the secondary menu. When hovering over the top menu, the expanded menu is displayed. When moving the cursor away from the top menu, the expanded menu is hidden.